What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, out here with Chris from Stealth Acoustics, and today we're going to be making a video on the RLX83. This is an invisible speaker, guys. I'm really excited to present this to you. Now, if you would like to purchase anything you see on our channel, anything home theater related, make sure to reach out today and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation and would love the opportunity to earn your business. Our guys are on standby, waiting to FaceTime video conference with you. We're going to walk through your entire house and tailor an exact package to fit your needs and budget. All right, let's get into this video. All right, welcome back, guys. I'm gonna pass it off to Chris and he's gonna give you the lowdown.
Thank you so much. So the LRX83 is our newest 8-inch three-way design, and all of our speakers are built and designed to go in the wall, flush with the sheetrock, painted and mudded over so that you don't see a single thing. Speakers are full 6-inch or 8-inch speakers with transducers to create your mids and highs. This is a full high resolution, high immersive audio system speaker. So you can put this in ceiling, in wall. You can use it for your Dolby Atmos. You can use it for any situation, even commercial audio. We have full 70-volt version, and I think that this is probably the best looking speaker you'll never see.
Check it out, guys. So like literally, we're gonna pop that speaker into your wall. If you don't want to DIY it, we got a preferred installer network throughout the country that can do this for you. I got the local pros. They're gonna pop it into the stud bay, they're gonna tape it, they're gonna texture it, and they're gonna paint it. Boom, it is gone. Guys, and you know this wouldn't be a Dreamedia video if we didn't give you a demo. All right, Chris is gonna fire it up for you guys right now. I hope you like it.
What's up, man? How you doing, man? Good to see you, buddy. He just installed some. This dude's really cool. We're very happy. Nice. Yeah.
We might even do a
The most beautiful speaker you'll never see.
I love it. All right, guys. Well, that is a wrap on our RLX83, the best speaker that you will never see. If you guys would like to purchase, make sure to reach out today and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation and would love the opportunity to earn your business. Reach out and utilize our free consultation service. My guys are on standby, waiting to FaceTime with you and walk through your home and tailor a package to fit your exact needs and budget. Well, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.